accidentally deleted a chat or need to restore your old messages? Here's how to restore your WhatsApp backup. First, ensure you are logged into the same Google account you use for backup. Uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp on your phone from the Google Play Store. Once installed, open WhatsApp and verify with your phone number. When prompted to restore your backup, tap Restore. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your backup and internet speed. Once the restoration is complete, your chats, media, and messages will be back on your phone. Make sure you have backed up your WhatsApp data regularly to avoid losing important chats. You can set automatic backups in WhatsApp settings. How often do you back up your WhatsApp data? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.